Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take up the topic tips for right and left hand rules. There are two types of right hand rules. One is Maxwell's right hand rule and Fleming's right hand rule, and another one is Fleming's left hand rule. So let us start with the first topic, Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. So if the direction of current is known, then the direction of magnetic field produced by a straight wire carrying current can be obtained by using Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. According to this rule, what we have to do, we have to suppose this is a current carrying conductor, and this is the direction of current. So we have to put the thumb in the direction of current, okay, and we have to fold we have to hold this current carrying wire in our right hand, okay, right? So this is the direction of current, this is the direction of current, and this is the direction of the magnetic field, okay. See this one, if the direction of current is known, then the direction of magnetic field produced by a straight wire carrying conductor can be obtained by using Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. So this is the thumb rule. This is the current carrying wire, okay. So what we did, this is the direction of current, it is upward direction, तो उसके direction में हम लोग thumb रखेंगे, right? और ये जो fold हम लोग कर रहे हैं, this will give the direction of field, okay, magnetic field, right? So according to the Maxwell's right hand thumb rule, imagine that you are holding the current carrying wire in your right hand so that your thumb points out in the direction of current. Then the direction of which we enclose the fingers, okay, enclose our finger, encircle the wire with will give the direction of magnetic field around the wire, okay. So this is the Maxwell's right hand rule. So let us see one example. A current through a horizontal power line flows in east to west direction, okay. The direction is given east to west. So what is the direction of magnetic field at a point directly below it and at a point directly above it, right? So let us see the figure first, because this is the east direction and this is the west direction, and current is flowing through this direction, okay. So let us see the diagram first. This is the diagram of holding the current carrying conductor, and thumb is placed in the direction of current, right, in this side, and we are folding in our finger in this direction. So the current का जो direction होगा वो field का जो direction होगा वो इस तरफ रहेगा, नीचे की ओर रहेगा, okay. So this is the direction, this is the direction of the magnetic field, क्योंकि हम लोग उसको ऐसे करके फोल्ड करेंगे, ठीक है. So the current is in the east-west direction. Applying the right-hand thumb rule, we get that the direction of magnetic field at a point below the wire from north to south, and the direction of magnetic field at a point directly above the wire is from south to north. This one, south से north के तरफ रहेगा, okay. So this is the question based on Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. Now let us move towards Fleming's left hand rule. So Fleming's left hand rule is very easy. We will take our left hand, right, this is the thumb, this is the forefinger, and this is the center finger. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये दोनों को ऐसे रखेंगे कि both all these are mutually perpendicular to each other, right, mutually perpendicular to each other. So our thumb will give the direction of force, okay. This will give the direction of force, and this will give the direction of magnetic field, and this will give the direction of current, okay. So when a current carrying wire is placed in a magnetic field, a force is exerted on the wire. So Fleming gave a simple rule to determine the direction of force acting on a current carrying wire placed in a magnetic field. So this rule is known as Fleming's left hand rule. So according to the Fleming's left hand rule, just now I told that we have to hold these three fingers such that, okay, they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay, forefinger, center finger and the thumb, they are at right angles to one another, mutually perpendicular बोलते हैं इसको. So now adjust our hand in such a way that the forefinger points in the direction. Forefinger, this is the forefinger, points in the direction of magnetic field, and the center finger points in the direction of current. Okay, then the direction of thumb will give the direction of force acting on the conductor. Usually Fleming's hand rule जो हम लोग use करते हैं for the of getting the direction of force. Okay, Fleming's right hand rule भी होता है जो हम लोग use करते हैं for the direction of induced current. So that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, fine. So this is the direction. Thumb फोर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता है एंड फोर फिंगर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को, और दिस सेंटर फिंगर विल यूज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. ओके, सो आगे मैं कुछ टिप्स भी बताऊंगा याद रखने के लिए. ओके, नाउ विल सी वन क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस आल्सो. सो उससे पहले रिकैप्चुलेट कर लेते हैं. सो दिस इज द फोर फिंगर एंड दिस इज मिडिल फिंगर, सेंटर फिंगर, और ये थंब. ओके, थंब जो है that will give the direction of force, and forefinger give the direction of magnetic field, and the middle finger, that the center finger, will give the direction of current. तो इसमें भी याद रखने के लिए forefinger starts from F, field is also started with F, forefinger field. Okay, and thumb में M होता है और motion में भी M होता है, right? Thumb में M होता है, that will give the motion. Okay, that is force. And this is the center finger. Center finger also starts with C, and current is also start with C. So that will give the clue that the center finger for current. दूसरे कुछ tips है that we will discuss after right hand thumb rule. So now we'll see one question. Okay, think you are sitting in a chamber with your back to one wall. Now an electron beam moving horizontally from back wall towards the front wall is deflected by strong magnetic field to your right side. What is the direction of magnetic field? So what we will do here, the electron beam is moving from our back wall to the front wall. Okay, back wall to the front wall. So the direction of current will be in the opposite direction. Okay, from front wall towards the back wall, means from towards us. So this is the first point. Second point, the direction of deflection of magnetic field is given to our right hand side. मेरा जो right hand side है वो ये वाला है. Okay, so now let us hold the four fingers, center finger and thumb, okay, of our left hand at right angles, that is all three are mutually perpendicular to each other, in such a way that our center finger, this one is the center finger will be towards us. ठीक है, हमारी तरफ होना चाहिए, मेरे तरफ होना चाहिए, and the thumb points towards the right side, ये right side होना चाहिए. Okay, so ये right side कैसे होगा? राइट साइड ये मेरे तरफ होना चाहिए और राइट साइड की होना चाहिए, तो कुछ ऐसे करना पड़ेगा मुझे, राइट? सो सेंटर फिंगर इज नाउ इट इज टुवर्ड्स मी एंड थंब इज नाउ टुवर्ड्स राइट. नाउ फोर फिंगर विल गिव द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. नाउ वेयर इज द डायरेक्शन? इट इज अपवर्ड और डाउनवर्ड? इट इज वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड. ओके, राइट. सो the direction of deflection is towards our right hand side, that is already given. Okay, field का, and now यहाँ तक हम लोग कर चुके हैं, right. So जो मैं position जो बताया था ये वाला. Okay, so thumb हम लोग right side में रखा हूँ मैं, और center finger मैं अपनी तरफ रखा हूँ. तो ये जो four finger का जो direction है वो downward की तरफ है, that will give the direction of magnetic field. Okay, so this is the position, right. Now we'll see one more question. A stream of positive charged particles, that is alpha particles, moving towards west is deflected towards north by a magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field is, we have to select the correct option, whether towards south, towards east, or downward or upward. Okay. So now here the positively charged, that is alpha particle, are moving towards west. Okay. So this is east and this is the direction of west. Made it from my side. This is east and this is west. Okay. So the direction of current is towards west. Positive charged alpha particles are moving towards west. So the direction of current is towards west. The deflection is towards north. So the force is towards north. North means upward. मेरे side से. North, south, east, west. Right? So let us now hold the forefinger, center finger, thumb finger, and of our left hand such that all three are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay. So अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग? We will adjust the hand in such a way that our center finger will point towards west. Point towards west means this side. This one to this side. Okay. And thumb towards north. Okay, now this is the position. The center finger I adjusted. See, this is the direction. Center finger towards the west. This is my west, and this is the north side. Okay, thumb I kept in north, and this is the forefinger. Now forefinger. What is the direction of forefinger? It will give. It will pointing towards upward. ठीक है, फिर से देखिए, सेंटर वेस्ट के साइड में, मेरा वेस्ट इस साइड में है और थंब नॉर्थ साइड में है और फोर फिंगर जो है दैट विल गिव पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स द अपवर्ड. सो दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड डायरेक्शन. सो नाउ let us move towards Fleming's left hand rule. So this is also the same thing. We have to keep these three fingers such that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Same thing. ये force, magnetic field, and this will current. Okay. So but the difference is that Fleming's right hand thumb rule is used for finding the direction of induced current. So that you have to keep in your mind. Okay. So the directions are the four fingers. Forefinger is for magnetic field, center finger is for current, and thumb is for force. Okay. So this is the direction. ये force के लिए है, and this is the middle center finger is for current, and the forefinger is for magnetic field. Okay. So the direction of induced current produced in a straight conductor moving in a magnetic field is given by Fleming's right hand rule. Okay. और करंट जब इंड्यूस्ड होता है तो किस डिवाइस में होता है? जनरेटर में होता है. सो फ्लेमिंग्स राइट हैंड थंब रूल वी विल यूज इन जनरेटर. सो जहाँ पे करंट इंड्यूस्ड हो रहा है वहाँ पे हम लोग राइट हैंड थंब रूल यूज करेंगे. ओके. और जहाँ पे हम लोग को डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स अगर चाहिए तो वहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड थंब रूल यूज करेंगे. राइट. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द Fleming's right hand rule, we will hold the thumb, forefinger, and center such that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. This will give the direction of current, center finger, and forefinger will give the direction of field, magnetic field, and this will give the direction of force. Okay, same thing. Left hand और इसमें दोनों का same रहता है. Now this is the tip number 1 to remember Fleming's left hand rule and right hand thumb rule. ठीक है. सो आप लोग को याद रखना है FBI. सो ये सीक्वेंस में है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड. जब हम लोग फिंगर्स को रखते हैं तो 1 2 3 काउंट करना है. 1 2 3. सो FBI. ओके. सो FBI ऐसे लिखेंगे. F मीन्स फोर्स एंड B इज यूज्ड फॉर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का सिंबल होता है. एंड I इज यूज्ड फॉर करंट. ओके. करंट के लिए हम लोग सिंबल यूज करते हैं I. राइट. सो F इज यूज्ड फॉर फोर्स एंड B इज यूज्ड फॉर मैग्नेटिक एंड I इज यूज्ड फॉर करंट. सो ऐसे याद रखेंगे. सो इफ सपोज इन एग्जाम it will ask, then immediately you can take your finger FBI, thumb force, and forefinger magnetic field, and center finger current. Okay, now I will give tip number 2. One more tip I have already given. थंब में M रहता है, so motion, that is force. और four finger starts from F. Field is also starts from F, so field होगा ये. And center finger starts from C, so this will be current. Current is also starts from C. So that is one more tip which I have already discussed. Now second tip. FMC. FMC, it's a very easy tip. Father, mother, child. Okay, father, mother, child. Now F for force, M for magnetic field, and C for current. F for father, that is force, and M for mother. तो हम लोग को याद रखना है father, mother, child में. Okay, so father, mother, child. So फादर से एफ से फोर्स मिलेगा और मदर के एम से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड मिलेगा और चाइल्ड के सी से करंट मिलेगा. तो ऐसे भी हम लोग याद कर सकते हैं इसको. दिस इज द वेरी इजी टिप टू रिमेंबर राइट हैंड और लेफ्ट हैंड थंब रूल. राइट हैंड में भी सेम वही है, एफ बी आई. ओके, एफ एम सी. ओके, फोर्स, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड करंट. Right now, one more tip I would like to give, that many questions, many queries are there, doubts are there, और बच्चे याद नहीं रख पाते हैं कि कौन सा थंब रूल किस में यूज होता है. राइट हैंड थंब रूल, फ्लेमिंग्स राइट हैंड थंब रूल, फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड थंब रूल, in which device it is used, motor or generator. So one tip I would like to tell you, that Fleming's left hand rule. First let us take Fleming's left hand rule. So Fleming's left hand rule को हम लोग FLHR लिख सकते हैं. F stand for Fleming, LH stands for left hand, and R stands for rule. Okay, similarly Fleming's right hand rule we can write FRHR. Right, F means Fleming's, RH means right hand, and R means rule. Okay, now we will take up first motor. How many R are there in motor? Only one R, right? मोटर में केवल एक ही R है यहाँ पर, only one R. And ये दोनों abbreviation में किस में सिंगल R है? FLHR में. So that means it indicates that FLHR, that is left hand rule, Fleming's left hand rule is used in motor. So this is एक कोई रूल नहीं है, जस्ट टिप्स है याद रखने के लिए. नाउ विल टेक अप जनरेटर. हाउ मेनी आर्स आर देयर? 2 आर देयर. ओके, मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, ये कोई रूल नहीं है, दिस इज ओनली टिप्स टू रिमेंबर. सो जनरेटर में 2 आर है. नाउ हियर इन विच 2 आर्स आर देयर? FRHR. दैट मीन्स इट इंडिकेट्स दैट right hand thumb rule, Fleming's right hand rule we have to use in generator. Okay, so these are the tips to remember how Fleming's left hand rule or Fleming's right hand rule, motor या generator किस में use होगा. This is the tips. Okay, I hope the tips are clear to all of you. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.